Each hive has only one queen. It's always about the queen. Without the queen, we don't have a colony of bees. Girls, move out of the way. I see eggs. That means there's a queen inside. Wow. This is so much bigger than I thought it was.
It's a lot bigger, yeah.
Yeah. I would say 3 weeks old. Lots of baby bees in this colony. Here you go. Once I cut out the comb, Derek places them in a frame using rubber bands to hold them in place. This allows us to transport the hive. Here, wait, let me hand you this.
She's fantastic. I don't know how she could do that. Get in there with no mask on or nothing.
Oh, I just got stung on my face. It still hurts to get stung. I don't prefer it, but I can take a few bee stings. Working with bees can go from calm to wild real fast. They're starting to get mad. We better move quickly. I better put some smoke on the bees so they don't sting me. Look how far back it goes.
Oh, wow.
This job is going to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
We gotta get the queen. She'll be in there.
All right.
There's
Here it
another one
comes.
behind it.
Is the queen going to be on here?
Same size.
Let her be on here. Oh, I still don't see the queen.
Yeah, I don't see her.
We have to find the queen. There's honey.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh,
Wow.
it's so beautiful.
Don't need to be.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wait till you taste it. Let me shake the bees off. Wow, it is really good. This is one of the perks of the job right here.
That's good.
It's very light.
It's really light, yeah.
I'm gonna have another bite. I know we have to save some for the homeowner.
It's all honey.
It's so good. She's gonna love it.
Let's close it up so they don't get bees in there.